Project Human Resource Management, a knowledge area talking about human resources. Now, if you are managing a small project, 5-10 people, and you have been working with the same set of people for a long time, you may not appreciate this knowledge area. You may think that I know these are the people, I have been working with them, and that is it. And their recognition, reward, competency, everything is maintained by HR department. Now, when you are going through a PMBOK contents for a PMP examination, you don't have to think like a small team project manager. You need to think a big project manager who is managing big teams, 100+ teams. And these are the guys who are just here for this project. You are not knowing them in advance. Most of them are new to you, and they are also new to each other. So this knowledge area in general talks about all these aspects of human resource management. You need to think that you are going to collect individuals. Now, when do you need? How many people do you need? How you will get them, acquire them? How will you develop them? How will you motivate them? How will you manage them? This all is covered in Project Human Resource Management knowledge area. You need to think like an organization. A project is a small project organization. Not that small, maybe consists of 100+ people. So you need to have an organization chart in your project where people are having role and responsibility defined. And you are the one who is sitting here. You are the CEO of this project team. And since you are CEO, you are responsible for all these people. These people may be also having some dotted reporting to their functional manager. By default, if it is not specified, you need to assume a strong matrix organization, because majority of the projects are executed in matrix organization structure, usually giving more power to the project manager. Now, if we talk in the language of processes, Project Human Resource Management has 4 processes. Let us look at them. One in planning, plan human resource management. As usual, this will tell us how are we going to do or execute the rest of the processes. So all planning processes answers how for that particular knowledge area. Now it has, in executing process group, we have 3 processes. What are they? They all about project team. They all about acquiring project team, developing project team, and managing project team. Now, do remember that in out of 47 processes, we have 8 processes in executing process group. And out of those 8 processes, we have 3 in project human resource management knowledge areas. And you may remember, if you look at PMP content outline, 30% of your questions would be coming from executing process group. and nearby 40% of executing process group is covered in human resource management knowledge area. This knowledge area would be giving you questions which are kind of behavioral in nature. You need to relate to your day-to-day project work while answering these questions. So in the subsequent videos, we will go through the processes and tools and techniques which are required as a project manager for executing and managing human resource well.